Hello, I'm Ayadi Mishra from India. I'm a 24-year-old climate advocate. That's it.
Hi, I'm Sanjana Satagopan. I'm from the US. I'm 17 years old and I work with restoration and a nonprofit eco-learners.
Hi, I'm Rukaiya from Nigeria. I'm 30 years old youth advocate. I have an organization that works on climate and ecosystem restoration space in Nigeria.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'm Ahmad Solikhin. You can call me Ahmad. I'm from Indonesia. I'm a young researcher for Indonesia and environment.
I think the only thing I would like to emphasize is something I also struggled with in the very start of joining or starting these movements was that every small action, every small decision that you take, anything that you do, honestly, it really counts. And I really want to drive in this message to the young people and to honestly anybody who wants to work in ecosystem restoration. If you feel like an outsider, if you feel like you don't have enough experience or enough knowledge or enough just resources or people or communities, every small thing you do will take you one step ahead and will take you one step closer to nature, to these ecosystem and places, and it honestly really counts. That's it.
Whoa. I don't know how I'm going to top that. You literally just said everything in my mind. But
Just all is already gone.
yeah, like just quote that. Put an Emily citation. Oh, I had it 2023. I guess I was gonna say that it really feels hopeless. I mean, I was like a high school student that doesn't even learn about ecosystem restoration. How is the planet up to us essentially to like save it, right? But then it comes down to the idea that like your voice matters and this planet is ours and we are going to be on it, and that's why having us or having you, like, even if it feels like you can't do anything, just try it, start it, because 3 years ago I never thought I would be here at a UN Decade conference talking about being in a restoration, because at the end of the day you just don't know. So go for those even if people tell you not to, because it really does make an impact, and it makes an impact on yourself.
Okay, my own is like young people have a lot to contribute to the policy table, and my take here is just let's encouraging young people to speak out, to improve their potentials and their inner courage to face the world, because we have no planet B but only planet A, and the climate and restoration problems we are facing today has a lot of things to do with the young people. So I'm encouraging us to all come on board to see how we can restore back our ecosystems to its original form. Thank you.
Young people is the agent of change, and young people is the voice of restoration. We need young people and also children. Don't make them left behind. And don't forget, we borrow our environment and ecology from the young people and children. We can drive every single change and transformation with action, but it should be supported by bold commitment. We need action now, not tomorrow. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, beautiful.